So today we're going to talk about area. Area is concerned with how much space it takes to cover the inside of an object, not the outside around it, but the inside. And we divide the inside up into what are called squares. So when you're doing area, your answer will always say however many units squared, because they will be squares. So in order to figure it out, the simple way to do it is to multiply one side's measurement by another side's measurement. And then you will find out how many squares are inside. But we're going to take it step by step so you can see what's really happening. I'm going to divide each side equally and make a mark where I want to do that. I'm going to do it on each side of the square, and then I will draw the lines so that I have actual squares inside and I can see how many I have. Okay, so I drew the lines and I connected my dash marks on each side, so that now I have squares inside. Okay, in order to find area, you could count how many squares you have, or you can multiply this side times this side, or this side times that side. In order to do that, I'm going to see how many squares I have on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 squares on this side. And they're going to be 5 square units, so I'm going to call them units. Okay, that's this side. So now I'm going to do this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 5 square units times 5 units. Okay, so I have 5 times 5. Well, I know that 5 times 5 is 25. And these are square units. Okay, by multiplying 5 times 5, we've decided that there are 25 squares inside. 25 square units. Now this is important information if you're building houses or you're decorating or you're doing anything where you need to know how much space is inside. If you were someone whose job was to put tiles in a kitchen or tiles in a bathroom, and you measured your space and you saw that you had 25 square units, then you know that you could buy 25 of these tiles and it would cover the bathroom space. And that's what area does. It tells you how many squares are inside any given space. So I could take 25 of these tiles and it would cover up the whole area. Okay? So area is really important when you want to know how much is inside. Not around the edges, that's the perimeter, but inside. And it's measured in squares because each square takes up a certain amount of space. So there you can see my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 squares that fit inside that space. That's area.